Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and today we'll be making goat meat pepper soup. As you can see, I'm already parboiling my meat. I'll put a link to a video where I did this in detail. So I'm parboiling my meat. It marinated a little in spices. So yeah, I'm just taking out portions because I'm going to make 3 different soups today. So I'm just going to portion out the meat, but we're starting with the goat meat pepper soup. So if you want to know what other soup I made, you need to come back next week and check out new videos I'll be uploaded. Today we're making goat meat pepper soup. I'm going to make this with Irish potatoes. So I'm adding in my fresh ground pepper now, pepper and onions into the meat mix with the parboiled water. Then I'm going to let this boil, and then I'm going to put in my trusty pepper soup mix. I'll also put a link to that video where I explained how I do my pepper soup in detail with the pepper soup spices. Yes, that's my pepper soup spice mix. It's already boiled down. So I'm going to put a link to a video where I went into detail about the pepper soup spices. So I'm just going to mix this in and add water and let it boil. It's pretty basic. That's just the goat meat stock that I reduced earlier. So I'm going to add water into this, and then I'm going to allow it to just boil and boil down so that everything can incorporate nicely together. So it's a bit boiled down now. So we're going to add our cooked Irish potatoes. Remember, we cook our Irish potatoes but not so soft. You just hard boil them so that they can still boil as well with the meat and incorporate all the juicy spices. And our pepper soup is almost done. Pepper soup is pretty easy. All you have to do is make sure that the meat is well boiled so that it can fall off the bones. Nobody wants to struggle with pepper soup meat. I mean, the liquid is already peppery and then you'll be struggling with meat. No. Your meat should be extremely soft boiled so that it's very easy to eat and it falls apart quickly from the bone. So our pepper soup is ready and we're dishing out now. So you can add greens. As I said in the pepper soup video with the pork, you can add greens at the end if you want. You can leave it plain. You can even do this without the potatoes. It's totally optional. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Love you.